guys, I'm Patty, and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making some oven roasted cauliflower. First thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 450. And I have a head of cauliflower that I've made into florets, chopped up a little bit. And I'm going to place this on my sheet pan, because that's where all the magic is going to happen. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some olive oil. And I'm going to toss these around. And like I said, preheat your oven to 450 because these are going to take a few minutes to cook. Let me wipe off my hands. Now you want to put salt and pepper. And some granulated garlic. Alright, I am going to toss them around a little bit more. Alright, you want to cook these about 15 minutes. Turn it over and continue cooking for another 10 minutes. So I'm going to pop these in, and in 15 minutes I will turn them over, and total about 25 minutes is what they'll take. So we'll bring you right back. Hey guys, I'm back. This looks so good, but hey, there's more to the story. I'm going to add some grated parmesan on top. I don't know which one to use. Oh, maybe the little one. I thought the grated would be better than the fresh. Then I'm gonna drop it. So, the roasted cauliflower is ready. I want to thank you for joining. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. And share it on your social media and leave me a comment. I will talk to you later. Oh, and give me a big thumbs up.
Could you say that other thing about it again?
Why?
If you don't want them this roasted, you could cut down on the time.
Yeah, cut down on the time if you don't want it this roasted. Did it cut off?
Yeah, I don't know when it turned off.
What part did you get?
I don't know. I'd have to look at it. We
Alright.
have to look at it and see. So
Anyway.
But you get the gist of it.
Alright, here we go again. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. Come and join in the fun of me and this man right here.
And the camera.
Eh.
We need a new camera.
I know. I do. But if you have, like I done just said that, leave me a big comment.
Yes, you
Give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to share it on your social media. Alright, guys. Cauliflower's ready.